a list of words for our students. Now from the textbook only, you underline selected words, new words in that lesson, and ask them to write and say, go on dictating the words. They should search and listen to the words. They should search. See how many activities are going at the time? Listening, reading, observing, writing, everything. They will be very concentrating on the activity. Okay, page number 79. One more activity is there. Let us take up it in the middle of the continuing session. Page number 79. Last time, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words given below. See here, one minute. Here, phonics worksheet is given, and here are the words given. Above that, OUND. Then